Good morning. Question number 11. Exercise 6.5. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far how far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours or one integer 1.5 hours. Same time. An aeroplane leaves an airport, flies due north at a speed of in north. The plane leaving the airport and flying in due north in at the speed of 1000 km per hour, and another plane leaving the airport and flying due west at a speed of 1200 km. How part they will be the after one integer 1.5 hours. Now we decide here. It is side north, south, here east and west. We know north, south, east and west. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km. Here O is the airport and plane A in north. In north 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west. In which direction? This direction. First north, therefore it is in above. Here it is in west. Another plane. This direction is called west and plane is here. Another plane. How apart? After 1.5 hour they will be. Find distance between them AB. How apart they will be? O is the airport, A is plane. We write here a plane an aeroplane leaving an aeroplane leaving an airport after an airport and flying due north and flying due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour after 1.5 hour is equals to after 1 in distance. We find distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to 1000 km per hour and time. After time is equal to 1 integer 1 upon 2 is equal to 1000 multiplied. 2 ones are 2 and 1, 3 by 2. 2 500 is equal to 1500 kilometer. What is speed? After its distance is 1500 kilometer. OA is equal to here 15 kilometer. Same, we write an aeroplane and another aeroplane. Another aeroplane. Another aeroplane leaving the airport and flying. Leaving the airport and flying due west at the speed. Which speed? 500 km per hour at a speed 1200 km per hour after 1.5 hours is equals to another aeroplane leaving the airport and flying due west is equals to 1200. The speed is 1200 multiplied 1 integer 1 upon 2 is equals to 1200 multiplied 3 by 2 2 6 is equals to 1800 kilometer. Its distance, another plane OB is equals to 1800 kilometer. Now OA is equals to 1800 kilometer. OB is equals to OA is equals to 1500 and OB is equals to 1800 kilometer. We find here AB. How apart they will? How apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Then in triangle AOB, apply Pythagoras rules. AB square is equals to OA square plus OB square equals to OA 1500 square plus 1800 square is equals to 225,000 plus 1800 square of 18 324 years and 4 zeros. Then sum of these two numbers 1 2 3 4 9 4 5 with number square 54900. It is 100 square. 549 divided by 9. 9 6 and 9 1 61 into 9 into 100 into 100. Then we write here AB square is equals to 61. 9 is a completed square number. 9 1 2 3 4. AB is equals to square root of 9 3. 100 root 61 kilometer. AB is equals to root 300 root 61 kilometer. After 1.5 hours, two planes far or two planes far apart. Two planes apart will be apart. Apart 300 root 61 kilometer after 1.5 hours. Again, first we draw here I. It is not necessary. North, decide north, south, east, west. In north, plane leaving the airport, flying in north with speed 1000 kilometer in 102 hours. In 1 integer in 3 by 2 hours is equals to 1500 kilometer distance with here same 1800 kilometer taking Pythagoras rules, and then after they get apart 300 root 61 kilometer apart from after 3 by 2 hour. Now, question number 10, 12. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a ground. If the distance between the feet of the pole is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Here two poles. Height 11 meter and 6 meter. Stand on ground. Two poles AB and C. BD is the ground. AB and CD are two poles of height 11 meter and 6 meter respectively. Here it is 11 meter and it is 6 meter. If the distance between the feet of the pole is 12 meter, distance here BC, distance 12 meter. B and D are feet of them. B and D are feet of poles. So, BD is equals to 12 meter. Find the distance between their tops. A and C are their tops. And find AC. A and C are their tops. Find AC. C are tops of pole and AC is equals and AC find. Here perpendicular A, B, C, D, E. CE perpendicular A. CE perpendicular AB. Therefore, CD is equals to 6 meter. Here be perpendicular. Therefore, BE is equals to 6 meter. BE is equals to 6 meter. Here CD is equals to 6 meter. CE draw CE perpendicular to AB. CE perpendicular to AB. And BE is equals to CD is equals to 6 meter. BE is equals to CD is equals to 6 meter. Therefore, AE is equals to, here AB is equals to 11 meter, BE is equals to 6 meter. Then how much? 11 minus 6 is equals to 5 meter. AE is equals to AB minus PE is equals to 11 minus 6 is equals to 5 meter. AE is equals to 5 meter. Clear? Here it is 6 meter, it is a rectangle. In rectangle, EBCDC or ECDP, in rectangle, BD is equals to EC. BD is equals to EC is equals to how much? 12 meter. BC is equals to EC is equals to 12 meter. Find AC. In triangle AEC, correct? Right angle. In triangle AEC, we find AC. How we find? Pythagoras rules? Yes. AE square plus EC square is equals to AC square. AE we found here 5 square. EC, what is EC? 12 square is equals to AC square. Therefore, AC square is equals to 25 plus 144 is equals to 169 with number square 13. AC is equals to 13. Therefore, the distance between the tops is equals to the distance 13 meter distance between two poles is equals to 13 meter. Distance between two poles is equals to 13 meter. Again, taking two poles AB and CD, height 11 meter and 6 meter respectively. Then distance between their feet is equals to 12 meter. Therefore, we find here AE 11 minus 6 is equals to 5 meter. In triangle AEC, A square plus AC square is equals to AC square. 5 square plus 12 square, we get here 13 square. Therefore, distance between these two tops of these two poles is equals to 13 meter. Question number 12 completed here. Question number 13. D and E are points on the sides CE and CP respectively of triangle ABC. Right angle at C. Prove that A square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DB square. Right angle triangle. Right angle at C. D and E are points on CB, CA and CB. D is on CA. E is on BC. Here 2 points. Prove that A square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. AB square plus DE square. This figure like this. Write given part on self. D and E are on side CA and CB respectively, and angle C is equal to 90. To prove this, now proof. Write given on self to prove. Here this part is proof. To prove. Now proof. Here how many right triangle? We want here AE square. Therefore AE square it is a right triangle ACE. BD square right triangle DCB. AB square right triangle ACB. And DE square right triangle DCE. Taking Pythagoras rule in 4 right triangle and adding these 2 results, then we get these 2 results. Here in triangle ACB, first we take here in triangle ACB, Pythagoras rules, yes. Same AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square, result number 1. Now, right triangle DCE, in triangle DCE, what is Pythagoras rules? DCE, this one. DE square is equals to, yes, is equals to DC square plus C square, result number 2. Third number, BD, we want here AE, AE that for triangle ACE, in triangle ACE, in triangle ACE, AE square is equals to AC square plus C square. It is result number 3. And BD in triangle DCB, in triangle DCB, what is Pythagoras rules? BD square is equals to DC square plus BC square. Result number 4. We want here AB square plus BE square is equals to AE square plus BD square. Otherwise, AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus D square, adding 3 and 4 or adding 1 and 2. We do here adding 3 and 4. A square plus BD square is equals to A square, AC square plus C square plus BC square plus BC square. Arrange the terms. AP square plus BD square is equals to AC square plus BC square in one bracket. AC square plus BC square plus CE square plus CE square plus DC square. DC square plus CE square. Writing bracket AC square plus BC square plus BC square plus CE square. Now using what is AC square plus BC square? Using result number 1, AB square plus BC square plus CE square is equals to DE square. Using 1 and 2. Therefore, AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus D square. So easy theorem. Rider, it is so easy. Taking 4 right triangle and AEB 4 result, adding 1 and 2, then we get left side and right side, getting left side. Suppose we add 3 and 4, then we get right hand side, AB square plus D square. Adding these two result and arrange these terms. Now question number 30 is completed here.